Hey guys, this is Eyana. I forgot to film an intro, so we're gonna try it now. So basically, today I'm gonna do like a little tutorial about how I did my little mini braids. And also, I'm gonna take you along with me for a couple of things that I did today. And in the video, you'll see like this half of my head is already done because I was lazy and 2 days ago I procrastinated on finishing the whole style. But because I was going to a fish store today, I decided to do the other half of my head. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this look and also a little bit about my day, then continue watching. Thanks. So these were my products. This is what I used for my cream. And I didn't list this originally because I found this in my grandma's store. And it's probably really old, but this is very thick oil. That's what I used for my oil. And then I used Eco Styler for my braids. So yeah. Hey guys, so I'm gonna give you a little bit about what I'm doing here. Right now I'm kind of deciding what I want to do with my life, and I decided to detangle. So that's what we're doing. We're spraying some water. We're gonna get our Suave leave-in conditioner and put it in our hair. Try to keep it moisturized so that we can detangle. And right now we're just kind of putting it in sections, so because I haven't like detangled my hair in a second, so just incorporating the product as well. And I don't know if you guys can see my face, but like sis is struggling over here. I tried my very best to detangle. It was hurting my soul. But we're going to do better. We're going to take better care of our hair this year. And yeah, so we're going to do our best to be the best Eyana we can be. So yeah, right now I only use one product. I didn't use anything else. I'm using the LCO method. So the liquid cream, and then I have an oil that I will apply later. So now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna detangle once more at the roots because it was hard for me to part. I'm now putting on my oil. It's like, yeah, it's real thick, so I gotta brush it in. And now I'm gonna part my hair to do the front section so I can show you guys a little bit better of what I'm doing. It's really simple, promise. The hardest part is trying to part and have a straight part. And you'll have to excuse me, my mirror is over to the side, so I have to keep checking over there. So I'm going to add some Eco Styler gel, and I'm just going to braid like 3-strand braid, just living my life. And at the end I'm going to add a little bit more gel, and I'm going to give it a nice little curl. And we're going to continue to do that with 3 other braids. It's really not that hard. It's real simple. You learn how to 3-strand braid when you're a kid, so bringing it back to childhood. Anywho, we're just gonna go into a montage of me kind of braiding my hair, wincing because I haven't combed my hair in a while, and hoping that this protective style allows me to be pretty lazy during these quarantine times. My motivation today was to go to a fish store, like I said earlier in the video. So yeah. done with her hair. Just putting it in and now we're gonna head to the fish store to take a look at some fish. I'm thinking about being a fish mother. And yeah, I'm gonna meet one of my friends there. We're gonna be wearing a mask the whole time, so staying safe out here. Alright, catch you guys later. Look, it's a rabbit. Hello, friend. That's so cool. I was just trying to enjoy my meal, and the weather decided to do this. I saw that cute little rabbit, and now, like, literally, you just hear, like, the wind just started picking up, and immediately you see everybody in the park, like, running because the rain is coming down. But I went to Tropical Smoothie and got a Bahama Mama, and that's my dinner for tonight. So we're just gonna go chill out with the rain. Sometimes my apartment loses power, so hopefully that won't happen tonight, but the way that this wind is acting, it may. So yeah, I'm gonna go inside, probably play a card game by myself, and that's what we're gonna do for tonight.